everyone, Assalamu alaikum. You're watching Get Math Class. I am Nurul Sahar. This video is about algebra. Algebra is a broad part of mathematics where letters and symbols are used to represent number and quantities. Basically, in this video, I will explain what are the expressions, equations, terms, factors, and most importantly, their components. Here we have an example of expression. Here we have an example of expression 7y cube plus y square plus 3y plus 8. If I write the same expression with the sign of equal to 0, or it could be equal to something else, then it makes equation. That is expression and that is equation. And the underlined parts are the terms. Here in this expression we have 4 terms. First term, second term, third term, and the last term, fourth term, is called constant term. Now I will explain the terms and their components one by one. Here we have the 7y cube is the first term. The letter y is the variable. The number is small number written on this letter is power, and the number written just before this variable is called coefficient. Now take the second term. Second term is y square. Again you can see the letter y is the variable and the number written on it is the power, but the coefficient is not present here. Whenever the coefficient is not present before the variable, it doesn't mean the coefficient is 0. It means the value of coefficient is 1. So here the coefficient is 1. Now you can see, you can write it like this, 1 y square. But usually you don't need to write the value of coefficient as a 1. Now come to the third term. Third term is 3y. Here you can see the variable and the number written just before the variable is the coefficient. And here you can see there is no power. Power is not present, it doesn't mean the value of power is 0. Here again the power is 1. And you can write again 3y raised to 1. But you don't need to show the power 1. So we write only 3y. The last and the fourth term, 8, we call it constant term. In the constant term, there is no variable and no power. What does it mean? It means the variable of the equation is y. Everywhere you can see y cube, y square, y raised to 1. So here the power of y is 0. And whenever any variable with the power 0, it is equal to always 1. So the number 8 becomes 8 multiplied by 1 equal to 8. That's why the only digit is written over here. Now you can easily understand the difference between expression and the equation, their terms and the components of each term. Now come to the factor. Here we have an example like 2 components 7y square and 8x. If I write with the sign of multiplication. So these two becomes factor of each other, 7y square and 8x. These two are the factors. Underlined parts are the factors. We can write it in the form of bracket. And if I write with the sign of addition or subtraction, these makes terms. The underlined parts are called terms. Now you can see the difference between factors and the terms. If the algebraic components are written with the sign of multiplication, these makes factors, and if algebraic components are written with the sign of addition and subtraction, these makes terms. Hope you will like this video. This video will help you a lot making the difference between expression and equation, the difference between terms and the factors, and most importantly, getting the concept of the algebraic components. If you like the video, please like and subscribe Get Math Class and share my videos. Stay tuned with us. Allah Hafiz.